Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Lenovo Tab One. So first, we need to check the volume levels in the settings and then sound. So, open up your tablet, then go to the settings, and right here in the settings, let's go over to the sound section. Now here we have the media volume, and this is how it should be set up. You guys can turn it all the way to the max, but I do not recommend it because once it starts working you can actually hurt your ears, because the speakers here are actually great and they play everything loud. So I think this setup that I have is the most optimal one. You guys can experiment with it and basically have a decision between this setup right here or your own one. Now after that, what you guys can do is grab a soft brush, because it is very important to clean our speaker grills. We may not realize, but they may actually be covered with dirt even though we cannot properly see it, and dumping it all on the table just by slamming your tablet like that is definitely not the way. So here we have the speaker grill. Now we also have it on the other side right here, and we want to clean it with a soft brush as gently as possible so we do not damage anything. Now after that, what can we do? We can disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device. So for an example, your headphones that you're not wearing, maybe they just connected because your case was opened and they are connected, and that's why you're not getting any speaker volume. So if your Bluetooth is enabled just like this, then what you guys can do is tap the switch to disable it. Now after we made sure that Bluetooth is disabled and that audio is not rerouted anywhere else, we can test the tablet in the safe mode to rule out any app interference. So if you've got a lot of apps downloaded on the tablet, then that's a good way to see if this is dependent on an app or maybe it's an overall issue. To enter the safe mode, all we have to do is hold the power button right here and now hold the reboot. Now we will have an information that we want to reboot into the safe mode, and as you guys can see, this will disable all third-party applications that you have installed, so they will be restored once we reboot again, but normally. So click OK, and now all we have to do is wait a couple of seconds and wait for it to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. So after the reboot, we are finally in the safe mode, as you guys can see, and now every single third-party app is disabled. But since I do not have any third-party apps on my device, then I won't be able to show you how that exactly looks like. So now after you check if everything is working properly and if your speaker is working, then you can go back to the normal mode and try and see which app can cause that. So now hold the power button. We are gonna leave the safe mode, and now we have to press the reboot once, and now we will go back to the normal mode. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now we are back to the normal mode, and if there are still some issues even though you found the app and everything, then as a last resort you guys can update your software. So go over to the settings. Now in the settings we want to scroll all the way down and click on About Tablet. Here we will click on the system update, and now it will check for updates automatically. You will have to wait from 5 to 15 seconds and you will see if you have the latest version or not. So as you guys can see, I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of issues, including the speaker not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.